So I just tried to DIY my entire wash day. These are the results. If you want to know how I got these results and you want to hear about my massive overnight fail, stay tuned.
Hey everyone, it is Aisha, aka Naturally. Are you back again with another video? And today we are doing another first impressions / product review. But to give it a twist, these are all products that I did myself. I did an entire wash day regimen of DIY products. So let's just get right into it. Before we go any further, make sure that you like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, make sure that you check out naturallyayi.com for more on this video and all my videos. You guys can see it right there. It is a coconut milk co-wash. In this co-wash, we have Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, agave. I have my lotus perfume oil, a little aloe vera gel, some vitamin E oil, distilled water, and black castor oil. So from the ingredients that I have chosen to include, I know that I am going to get the suds, and it should be super moisturizing, but I don't know anything else about it, so let's just get right to it. I'm going to go rinse my hair, and I'm going to come right back when it's time to lather up. Okay, so I just rinsed out a 4 or 5 day old wash and go using She Scented products. I just used the oil and gel, hair pudding primarily as my styler, and just a regular leave-in. I'm sorry, I used a pomegranate and pear leave-in. If you want to see how I apply those products, I will link that for you down below. But let's get into my products. So I'm gonna give my co-wash a good shake. Guys, I'm so nervous. Oh, and I did not have coconut milk. That's what I wanted to use, but I did have cream of coconut, so I used that instead. And as far as smell goes, it smells a little bit like the Lotus, not really too much, but it does smell clean. That's probably from the Bronners. I'm actually really happy with this co-wash. Like I actually just bought Jane Carter Solutions co-wash just in case this one didn't turn out good, because I didn't have any co-washes. And I'm like, if I fuck this up, let me get something that's real so that, you know, I can at least wash my hair, and that may have been a waste of money. Alright, so I'm gonna go rinse this out, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so let's see if it washed clean. And not so much, but that's okay, because we're gonna do this all over again. What I will say though is I can like still feel the oil on my hair, on my hands, which is amazing because that means that my hair is still super moisturized. And there's, oh my gosh, there is significantly less shedding. I don't know if that is due to the fact that I haven't used Eco Styler, but when I was using Eco Styler, like I would literally have like a wad of hair like unwashed, and I'd be like, oh, you know, it's no problem because, you know, I didn't, you know, comb my hair for, you know, 7 days because, you know, I was in a wash and go state. And now I'm thinking about it like, maybe there was something wrong with that Eco Styler. Here's there's the foam that curlies don't like to see. But shit, look at that. That is amazing, guys. Like, that is a co-wash. So in my deep conditioner, I used a banana, vitamin E oil, EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, peppermint, and jojoba. So again, tons of good oils. Here it is. And it smells like peppermint and banana. Lightly scented banana, but yes. Alright, so I didn't make too much of it. This is what, like a 4-ounce jar? Yep, 4-ounce jar, so which means all of it. Why the hell not? Okay guys, so I'm not totally in love with the chunks of banana, but before my battery dies, because I see it flashing over there, but it did super define all of my curls, and if you guys are wondering, yes, that was the whole jar. I did use all of it, just because I don't want to put it in my fridge and try and use it next time. I'd rather make a new one and try something different. But I am gonna go sit under my heating cap. If I didn't say it already, it is way too late for me to be washing my hair. It's about 9:30 right now, and I just needed to try all these products that I had just made. So that's what is going on right now. But I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. Oh gosh. We're gonna see what happens. For about half an hour, I'm gonna charge up this battery, and I will see you guys then. Okay guys, so I actually ended up leaving the deep conditioner in for about an hour. So let's see what it looks like. As you guys can see, it has been running down my neck. It's probably just because it was full of oil, so it's more like a hot oil treatment. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse this out and see what we get. Okay, so yeah, so we still have some banana in there. Oh my gosh, we have a ton of banana still in there. Okay, well, let's rinse again. Alright guys, I'm going to my super last resort, which is real shampoo. Kinky Curly Come Clean, and the reason that I don't like it is because it's way too harsh for my hair. So I was hoping that, okay, if it's too harsh for my hair, maybe it'll actually get the gunk out. So I used it. It didn't get everything out, but it did get a really good portion of it out. So I am going to go ahead and wash again with the very last. Hopefully this will be enough. If you know this product, you know that you don't need a lot to get the suds, but I need to get rid of this product, and I also need to get rid of this banana out of my hair. Like, it's ridiculous now. Like, I've never had an issue like this ever. This is like a serious hair fail. And to top it off, I lost all that moisture that I just put in my hair. I have a way to remedy that before I go on to my stylers, because I'm not just putting on my DIY stylers after this. I need to put some type of moisture back into my hair. Crazy. Don't put banana in your hair, guys. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Oh, yes. Finally. 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 Alright guys, so I just want to take the time out just to appreciate black hair, just appreciate how much resilience it has. I mean, like, I put so many products in my hair in the last 12 hours alone, it has been washed probably like 8 times, no lie. My hair is still going. It's like, yeah, we can stop playing. Like, I barely have any shedding because all of it came out already. Okay guys, and we're finally ready to move on. It's been like 12 hours. I'm finally ready to style my hair. Please pray to the hair gods that it goes well, because I would literally like be so disappointed if I have to wash my hair again and style using store-bought products. So I am going to start with my natural hair cream or whatever. Anyways, inside I have shea butter, coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, my lotus extract, vitamin E oil, and aloe vera gel. And that's it. So I will be using that first as my leave-in, and then I'm going to go over to my gross looking flaxseed gel. This stuff literally looks so gross. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want it to like fall out, but it's got like whole pieces of shea butter in it because I am a dumbass and I should have melted the shea butter before adding it to my aloe vera gel, instead of I just scooped it in and then just like threw it in there as if it would like dissolve. No honey, that's not what happened. Because I was thinking, because at the time the gel was still pretty warm, so I was thinking that it would melt, and it just didn't. If you wanted to know, I'm sorry, inside my flaxseed gel, I have obviously the flaxseed, I have blue agave, vitamin E, lotus, the shea butter, and olive oil. So I'll be using that as my styler. I have read that in order to get, you know, decent results, you do kind of have to not use a lot, but it is going to be slimier and you do have to use a little bit more than you would think that you'd have to use, or so that's what I've read. Let's find out. Everyone, so we are back. As you can see, I have done the majority of my head. All I have left is this right here. It actually came out pretty decent so far. Just a couple things before we get started. I just want to say that this little jar of gel is what is like my showpiece, like what I was taking all my like photos with. This I ended up not using. I think that the gel holds, like it's a little bit runny. You guys can really see that, but it's a bit runny because it was left out. But then I also have the rest of it. Like I ended up making a lot and not realizing it, and this is the rest of it. And this is actually not as runny, and this was actually in the fridge. So I think I actually like it better in the fridge. On another note, the little clumps of shea butter, they dissolve instantly. Like once you put the product on your hair, and you're gonna see it, once you put it on your hair, it instantly goes away. So that's a big relief. The bigger clumps, obviously you need to work a little bit more, but they do eventually melt into the hair. Oh, and I'm also not totally in love with the smell of the flaxseed gel. And when I say not in love, like I really don't, I'm not crazy about it. I don't know if it's like the combination of essential oils that I put in, which is probably what it is. I put in lavender and lotus. Maybe I should have just stuck to one just to try it out, but that's gonna be for the next time that I make it. as far as my DIY, again, I'm not in love with the smell. It's not terrible though. Actually, I do like it better in my hair as opposed to being in the jar. So maybe that is something to do with it. But the curls are defined. They are very soft, and I can't wait to see how it dries. I am gonna hang around for the day and get some blogging done. If you haven't already, make sure that you check out my blog, naturallyae.com, for more information on DIY, on beauty, on politics, on travel, on food. Everything is right there at naturallyae.com. Make sure that you check it out. Until next time, guys, stay blessed and unstressed.